Still thinking your rankings drop because of the algorithm gods? Trust me, they are not out to get you. What's actually happening is far simpler and far more fixable. Your pages are breaking the core rules of on-page SEO 2026, and Google is quietly sliding you into the witness protection. Fix these issues today, and your organic traffic climbs. Ignore them, and you'll keep refreshing Search Console like it owes you rent. I'm Lauren Pavel, and the SEO frameworks I implement and teach have helped service businesses go from barely visible online to ranking, converting, and attracting clients consistently, even in high competitive markets. And it all starts with on-page SEO done right. By the end of this video, you'll understand why on-page SEO in 2026 is all about clarity and accessibility, how to structure your pages so Google, Bing, and AI systems can actually retrieve them, and the essential on-page elements that quietly determine your organic traffic potential. Let's jump in. Think of your website like a house. Everyone wants the beautiful kitchen, the polished branding, the perfect messaging, the stunning visuals, but few want to deal with the foundation. And that's exactly why businesses collapse in search. Now, here's the simple test I gave clients. Pull up your website on your phone. If you can't instantly tell what the page is about, who is it for, and what to do next, neither can Google, Bing, or any AI. And in 2026, clarity is the foundation. If it's missing, your traffic doesn't stand a chance. Pillar 1, crawlability, indexability, and AI retrievability. Let's start with the most unsexy but absolutely critical piece, whether search engines and AI crawlers can even reach your page. Make sure you aren't accidentally blocking Googlebot, BingBot, GPTbot, or PerplexityBot. You'd be shocked how many sites block AI crawlers without realizing they are cutting themselves off from the entire future of search. Next, verify your page returns a 200 status code, not a redirect. And then check Google and Bing to confirm indexing. Finally, the big one. Paste your URL directly into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the page. If it can't retrieve it, your content is invisible in the new search ecosystem. This is the first fix. Without it, nothing else works. Pillar number 2, HTML, structure, and page clarity. AI systems understand HTML far better than JavaScript. If your content is buried behind scripts, they struggle to extract it. When you view your page source, the actual text, paragraphs, headings, content should be right there. No detective work required. And please, make your heading structure logical. H1 at the top, H2s for major topics, H3s nested underneath. Don't just spray H2s down the page like confetti. Google doesn't want a party, it wants hierarchy. Above the fold, your headline, subheadline, and next step should be obvious. Don't make visitors scroll to figure out where they've landed. They won't. And add a short TLDR box at the top. Humans love summaries. AI loves summaries. Everyone wins. If you are already realizing your site might need more than a few tweaks and want someone who can audit, optimize, and elevate your entire organic strategy, you can work with me. Feel free to check the link in the description. Pillar number 3, freshness, relevance, and information gain. Search engines and AI systems are obsessed with freshness now. If your content includes timestamps from 2016 or references that scream, I haven't touched this page in 5 years, you're losing authority instantly. Update your pages every 3-6 months if possible. You don't need to rewrite the whole thing. Just refresh outdated sections, add new data, improve examples, or refine your structure. And please stop adding more words for the sake of ranking. Google doesn't want a novel, it wants clarity. Shorter, clearer content outperforms long, fluffy content every time. I'm for a high school reading level. Your users will thank you. Your conversions will thank you. And your rankings will thank you. Pillar number 4, keyword signaling and topical coverage. Keyword stuffing is dead, but keyword signaling still very much alive. Your primary keyword should appear in your URL, title, meta description, age 1, first 100 words, age 2s, and in text. Keep it natural. Google has degrees now. It knows when you are faking. Then perform a content gap analysis. Look at what your competitors include, FAQs, definitions, subtopics, and make sure you're covering the same ground with more clarity and more value. That's information gain. And fix your internal links. Make anchors descriptive. No more click here, unless you enjoy throwing away relevance. Pillar number 5, UX, mobile experience, and performance. This is where I see the biggest hidden ranking killers. If your site loads slowly on mobile, your rankings suffer. Full stop. I'm for a mobile page speed score of 70 or higher. Make your CTA visible above the font. Use clear contrast. Stop using link colors that look like normal text, or worse, text colors that look like links. And do the 3-second smartphone test. Open your site on your phone and ask yourself, do I immediately know what this is about? If not, fix it. By the way, I've included a free on-page SEO checklist in the description. It walks you through all essential components step by step. Make sure you download it and use it every time you optimize a page. Pillar number 6, conversion architecture. SEO is not just about rankings. It's about what happens after someone lands on your page. Have a thank you page that explains the next steps and builds trust, not a generic thanks message. And make sure your form actually works and triggers a confirmation email. You'd be shocked how many don't. Showcase testimonials and case studies. Repeat your CTA throughout the page. And make your phone number clear and high contrast, not hiding in a fade shade of content friendly gray. If users engage, Google rewards you. If they bounce, Google will bounce you down the rankings faster than you can say, why am I on page 7? Pillar number 7, Multimedia, Schema, EAT, and AI era enhancements. Now, let's talk about everything that pushes your pages on the top in 2026. Use original, high-quality images. Give them descriptive file names and alt text that explain what's actually in the photo, not a desperate string of keywords. Add schema markup for article, FAQ, how-tos, service, or local business, depending on your page. It needs to match what's visible on the page because mismatched schema can hurt you more than help you. Establish EAT. List your author, list their credentials, link to their author page, cite your sources, add disclaimers when needed. It's not just for Google, it builds trust with humans too. Embrace multimodal content, subtitles, helpful images, helpful tables, AI system loves structure. Honestly, if structured content were a food, LLMs would binge eat it like it was a late night pizza. Now that you've mastered the on-page SEO for 2026, the next step is learning how to audit your entire website so you can find ranking killers before they hurt your traffic. Click right here and I'll show you exactly how to fix the issues holding your site back.